Hello, I'm Andrew Urban from Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to 293 Skyline Drive in Vallejo, California. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home is over 2,200 square feet and is kind of a tri-level model that allows you open plan living at the upper level where the dining room and living room are and the kitchen are, and then the bedrooms are off to one side of the house, and then there is a 4th bedroom or a man cave on the lower level. You'll also see that there is a very nice backyard, a very nice, quiet, private backyard for you to enjoy. So why don't you come with me right now and let's have a look at this really nice home. And as we walk in the front entrance, to the right we have the living room with a gas-burning fireplace and nice views out the front of the home. Adjacent is the dining room with the kitchen. Nice modern countertops, modern appliances, and a small deck that looks over the backyard. Downstairs is the 4th bedroom. This can also, of course, be used as it is here as a TV room or as a playroom, a man cave, and it has an adjacent half bath right there. And this is the master bedroom suite. It has a nice view of the backyard. You can see the floors are also laminate floors here. Very low maintenance yard area. It's really nice. Here's the deck we could see from outside the dining room.